The newest robotic pool cleaner to be launched by Maytronics, the 2017 Dolphin Premier is designed to meet the changing needs of the pool owners everywhere. Powerful without compromising on energy efficiency and designed with the latest technologies and features, this pool cleaner offers an impressive clean option. Capable of reducing energy costs by up to 90%, the 2017 Dolphin Premier is one of the most energy-efficient robotic pool cleaners available. It uses a highly advanced 24-volt DC motor, which is high-performing without compromising on energy efficiency. This ensures that you enjoy superb user experience without worrying about escalating energy consumption. SmartNav technology delivers highly optimized coverage of the pool surface, taking pool cleaning to a whole new level. When dropped into the pool, the advanced microprocessor takes a couple of seconds to scan the pool and determine the best navigation strategy for complete and efficient coverage. This is unlike most other robotic pool cleaners that clean the pool surface aimlessly, leaving behind several patches that are not touched at all. Most robotic pool cleaners have wheels, which work well when cleaning the pool floor. However, they simply do not have enough grip when climbing the walls, so they lose traction and fall, leaving the walls cleaned only halfway. The Dolphin Premier overcomes this shortfall by ditching the wheels altogether. This device has strong grip rubber tracks instead. These rubber tracks grip the wall with surprising strength, allowing the unit to climb the walls all the way to the top, so the walls are cleaned thoroughly when the clean cycle is completed. It features patented 360-degree anti-tangle swivel, which uses a proprietary design that allows the cable to twist and turn in any direction without any entangling. This allows the system to move underwater easily without getting into a tangled heap at the bottom of the pool. This pool cleaner is conveniently designed with only 5 modular parts. This makes it easy to remove and replace just the damaged part instead of having to repair or replace the entire system in case of a breakdown. Downside of this cleaner is relatively higher priced as compared to other robotic pool cleaners, which can be increased with buying the caddy and the remote control, which are sold separately. To conclude, this Dolphin is an excellent choice if you do not mind paying a premium for a feature-filled robotic pool cleaner with advanced technology. The modular design can be particularly appealing if you are a DIY enthusiast.